looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I know is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie your lace. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young Betty Wiz. He was a part of the gang. No, now he dead.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Trigger, and this is very special video because on this video we are going to show you the review of this all new BS6 2022 RC200 from KTM. Alright, so let's start this video.
For so long I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the knife, so far gone, I was blind. So now that I found what I was looking.
So this is the key of all new KTM RC200. Looks a bit of same, but this is completely different.
Okay, so now we are getting full level mirrors on RC200. Alright, so the new RC200 has very nice fuel tank, and the old one is actually 9.5 liters and this is 13.7 liters. And you can see the design of this fuel tank, how compact this fuel tank. So this fuel tank gives you exact feeling of riding a proper super sport bike. You see this texture, this posture of this bike, and I really love this two pattern. The material has been used, this is different metal and this is different metal, so that makes this a feel of riding a perfect sports bike. So I love this.
But earlier, you know, the seat was not so much comfy, but this seat is so much comfortable. See, in the previous model we used to get seats like this, but see, now it's totally changed. It's also so much good, and you know, I can't describe. Just buy this and see.
Alright, so racing tires on this RC200. So you get 110/70 R17 MRF Revzit tires at front. Oh, that is very good. But I think they should go for Bridgestone maybe, because I think Bridgestone is more perfect for track purpose, highways, and also for doing off-roading. Okay, but still MRF is better choice for you. It's cheaper and it's better. At front you will get 43 mm of WP Apex USD forks. Now that is really good for riding and also good for track purpose. So this is very good. Suspensions used in KTM RC200 at front. Okay, so at rear you will get 10-step WP Apex monoshock suspension. So as you can see, white coil has been used in there. Okay, so the meaning of WP is white power. The name itself says white and they have used the white color. So check out this LED indicators. As you can see from this camera, these indicators are so bright, and even that indicator. So this indicator doesn't have any hazard light option, this bike. So in hazard light you will see this, both indicators will blink together. And look, this strip line of this new RC200's back section LED tail light. And if I press the brake, as you can see how bright this light is. So personally I love this back section, this LED tail light compared to the old one. I personally love this one. So this is amazing. So I was looking to this brochure of this new KTM RC200, but I haven't saw any list of the quick shifter. So we are spending more than 2 lakhs. It's like 2,60,000 on road in Bangalore, but we don't get any quick shifter. In R15M though, you will have quick shifter under 2 lakhs, but still you have dual channel ABS, and this is very good in this type of sports bike. That is the plus point of this bike. But still there should be a quick shifter. But yeah, in RC390 you do get quick shifter, but you have to spend 3 lakhs for that. But in R15M it's just under 2 lakhs. Plus point for R15, but still this is more powerful than that R15. Of course this is 200cc. And yeah, R15 also has the M model. So in only M model you get quick shifter. Okay, fine. So now I'm saying this for information of this new BS6 single cylinder KTM RC200, the younger brother of RC8R. As you can see, racing KTM, racing engine. Okay, so let me say you, it has 25 horsepower. Yeah, BS6 25 horsepower, and it also has 19.2 Newton meter of torque. Okay, so it's actually better than my Activa. Yeah, because Activa you have 7-8 horsepower and it can go more than 90. It has 25 horsepower. Just think how fast this bike can be. It has 199.5 cc single cylinder liquid cooled DOHC FI engine. That's all about this new engine. Yeah, it has BS6. That's the main thing. And the new RC200 special thing is this, that it has, see, it's written 40% larger airbox. Okay, and that means it can take more airs inside, and it can filter, it can do combustion of air and fuel very quickly, very nicely compared to the old RC200. And if you put the old RC200 and the new RC200 stock, this will beat old RC200 easily. Why? Because it has the more power and it also has the more bigger 40% larger airbox.
What? A sport track bike with a grab brake. That's nice.
As I shown you before, you will get LED tail light, but also you will get one more thing that is LED, and that is this number plate light. And this is also LED. As you can see, that 3 LED lights. So if you are putting some fancy number, but you don't have to put that, that number plate will look so good at back. I really love this windshield. As you can see how much big this windshield, this area this bike has covered, this windshield. You see that old RC, it has just a normal windshield. Okay, normal windshield. This bike windshield, you see from here, starting here to here, see from first to last how much big this windscreen is. Now that's something good. And it is very transparent. You see, this bike is very transparent. So publics, if you're driving in public place, so anybody can see your instrument cluster because it's so transparent. And I don't think so how you can change this windshield in smoke grace windshield out there in aftermarket, because this is very big windshield. I love this. One more thing I love is the graphics in here. You see small bubbles. Okay, now this is not touchable. I don't think so it's touchable. I think this is printed. I think this is from inside, but I don't feel any touch response from here. But still I love this. This is the new LED DRL of this bike, and as I shown you before, windshield has bubbles art. Same art has been used in this LED DRL. Just check out this LED DRL. Okay, so when we will turn on this bike, we will start this bike, we will show you the headlight also. And this headlight is not, it's actually completely new, but I think it is inspired from the old. The old RC comes with 2 dot LED lights, but as you can see, this is changed. Now this looks me like a mixture of old RC and old Duke and RC mixed, and they made this new headlight. Okay, so this is completely new. So check out the headlight, the new RC200, completely changed. Just check out this one. Okay, so from far if you see, it will look like old RC only, but when it come closer to you, you will realize this is a new 2022 RC200 LED headlight. Okay, new. This is 200cc, not 390cc. Still it looks perfect. And this is the front indicator. Okay, and this is also completely new, but still one problem, there is no hazard light. RC looks so perfect in hazard light. Maybe you will do customs like the old one, but still there is no stock hazard light. This is the new indicator, and maybe some people will love the new look, maybe some people will not. Maybe for some people old RC is only the RC, like some people don't like 3rd gen Hayabusa, 2nd gen Hayabusa is only the Hayabusa, like that. Same goes to the RC, but actually compared to the old one, this new model is actually perfect, fine, and so good made from the KTM groups. So this is RC8R inspired. The aerodynamics, the sports, the suspension, the chassis, the livery, and also the power. Everything is derived from this elder brother RC8R. Okay, fine. I love this. I want to request KTM launch the RC8R updated version in India, so people will get the actual superbike of KTM in India. That's the RC8R. That's the main question I want to ask with KTM. So this is the new key of the KTM RC200, the 2022 one, BS6 model, and this is very new short key, and very softly it will go inside and we have to just turn on this key. So this is fully new digital instrument cluster. Here it is a clock. Okay, here is the RPM meter, ABS indicator, many more indicators, and it has the RPM meter, fuel indicator, and also it will show you speed with infos like gear, in which gear you are. It will show also the odometer. Okay, so this bike has a lot of options. If you come here on the left side of the handle, you have passing button. Okay, this passing button, as you can see. So this is the one nice feature, and also the upper dipper. This indicator, as you know, no hazard light indicator. It has horn. I'm not gonna just blow that horn. It has ignition control. Nice. And yeah, here you have self. There is no kickstart. Okay, there is no kickstart. Alright, so this is about this thing. Okay, I just turned on the ignition, so now it's showing in which gear you are. You are neutral. It's showing the neutral. Okay, so that's all about this new KTM RC200. Okay, and I really love this bike. So we will get a chance to ride this bike, and we will show you that video also. But now it's not in showroom, and you have many more colors on this KTM. We will show you that color option also. So according to the price, 2,60,000, this is actually so good choice. And compared to the old one, this is completely new, fully designed, refreshed version, like the BMW's old S1000RR and the new S1. So I think if you're wasting 2,60,000 on something called sport bike, KTM with single cylinder, this bike is very good. Okay, and I think the rivals between this KTM 200cc, it can defeat almost any 200cc bike currently available in India. Okay, so as I said, you have many color options in RC200, and this is also one color option. This is black orange color you get, and this is also new color in KTM. So this is also one color option. Personally, I like that color, that's silver orange, and it is black orange.
So finally, let's hear the stock exhaust sound. Brake.
So we hope you like this video. If you like it, so hit that like button. If you like this video, our video will come first on the search history of YouTube, on that search list. So before that, doing everything, don't forget to come if you are living in Bangalore, this new KTM Langford showroom. Okay, so we will give you the link in description, and also we have shown cinematic shot in
And the
between
address will be
styling
in the description.
in description.
Yes, please come here and take a test drive and book your own RC200.
And we will show you RC390, RC125 deliveries video from here, this Langford KTM showroom in Bangalore.
And thanks to them.
Yeah, thank you. So it's time to end this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, The Car Trigger, our channel, The Car Trigger, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. And apart from review, apart from delivery videos, apart from super bikes and cars, vlog content if you want to know, GV Sumesh, ladies and gentlemen, GV Sumesh, so coming soon in Bangalore, and we will make lots of videos. Okay, so Sumesh, if you're listening this, please come Bangalore and don't break our heart. Okay, so third gen Hayabusa delivery video is also coming, so check out that. If I have uploaded, so I will check that, give that I heart button. Okay, I think I'm talking too much, time to end this video.